Looking for a pet-friendly condo with room for everyone to spread out? Then I've got you. This Starlite Village gem features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, great storage, and is pet-friendly, allowing 2 pets per unit. Enjoy the tour. Thanks for watching. For more information on this property or to book an exclusive tour, reach out to us. We're happy to guide you through the process.